K-bar tactical survival knives are renowned for their ruggedness and versatility in challenging situations. Originating from military heritage, these knives feature durable high-carbon steel blades, ergonomic handles, and reliable sheaths. Designed for multiple tasks including cutting, slicing, and chopping, they serve as dependable tools for survival, self-defense, and outdoor activities. With their robust build and practical designs, K-bar knives remain a popular choice among adventurers and professionals seeking reliable and durable blades for diverse tasks. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 9. K-bar Ek Model 5 represents a fusion of historical legacy and modern functionality. This knife showcases a 125-inch black-coated 1095 Kraton steel blade, renowned for its durability and cutting prowess, ideal for various utility and outdoor tasks. Its classic Bowie-style clip-point design ensures precision in slicing and piercing, while maintaining robustness for heavier cutting duties. The stacked leather handle with groove texture offers a secure and comfortable grip, essential for extended use. Retaining the essence of the original Wii-era design, this knife pays homage to military heritage, portraying reliability and craftsmanship. The K-bar Ek Model 5 stands as a testament to its legacy, appealing to collectors, outdoor enthusiasts, and those seeking a blend of historical significance and practicality in a versatile cutting tool. Number 8. K-bar Kraton Fighting_Utility Knife epitomizes durability and versatility with its robust design. Featuring a 7-inch 1095 Kraton steel blade renowned for its resilience and cutting performance, this knife excels in a multitude of tasks, from combat situations to outdoor survival needs. Its classic clip-point blade design ensures effective piercing and slicing while maintaining a sturdy edge. The Kraton handle offers a secure and comfortable grip in various weather conditions, providing a reliable hold during intensive use. With a durable synthetic sheath for convenient and safe carry, the K-bar Kraton stands as a testament to reliability and craftsmanship, serving military personnel, outdoor enthusiasts, and collectors seeking a dependable and multifunctional knife for their diverse needs. Number 7. K-bar Becker Campanion is an epitome of rugged reliability and versatility. This robust knife features a 5.25-inch 1095 Kraton steel blade renowned for its durability and edge retention, ideal for heavy-duty tasks and outdoor adventures. Its drop-point blade design allows for various applications, from slicing to chopping, while retaining its sharpness through rigorous use. The Grivery handle scales provide a comfortable and secure grip, essential for extended use in challenging conditions. With a durable polyester sheath offering multiple carry options and a robust construction designed for survival situations, the Beak 2 Campanion stands as an exceptional choice for outdoorsmen, survivalists, and anyone seeking a durable, all-purpose knife for diverse tasks in the wilderness or everyday use. Number 6. K-bar 1245 Tanto Fighting Utility Knife epitomizes strength and precision in a versatile design. Featuring a 8-inch 1095 Kraton steel tanto blade, it offers exceptional piercing power and durability, ideal for combat situations and demanding outdoor tasks. The robust full-tang construction ensures reliability under intense use, while the tanto-style blade design provides exceptional tip strength for piercing and slashing through various materials. The Kraton handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, even in adverse conditions, providing confidence during extended usage. Number 5. K-bar 1217 usmc Fighting Utility is an emblem of historical legacy and unwavering reliability. Its 7-inch 1095 Kraton steel blade, stamped with the iconic usmc logo, stands as a symbol of its rich military heritage and exceptional durability. This knife's classic design, including a clip-point blade, ensures versatile cutting capabilities, ideal for combat, survival, and utility tasks. The leather-wrapped handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, promoting precise handling in various conditions. Accompanied by a durable leather sheath for convenient and secure carry, this knife honors its tradition as a faithful companion to military personnel, survivalists, and collectors seeking a rugged, time-tested blade with a legacy of service and excellence. Number 4. Ka-Bar 3050 Mule Folder. Embodies adaptability and durability in a compact folding design. With a 3/875" AUS-8 stainless steel blade, this knife strikes a balance between strength and edge retention, suitable for everyday utility tasks and outdoor use. The versatile drop-point blade shape ensures precision in slicing while maintaining resilience for heavier cutting. Its textured Zytel handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, enhancing control during use. The dual thumb studs and reliable lockback mechanism offer easy one-handed deployment and a secure blade lock for added safety. Completed with a reversible pocket clip for convenient carry options, the Ka-Bar 3050 Mule Folder stands as a practical and dependable choice for those seeking a versatile, everyday folding knife capable of tackling a myriad of cutting needs. Number 3. Ka-Bar 7503 Jarosz Turok. Exemplifies strength and reliability in a purpose-built design. This knife features a 6.25-inch 1095 Kraton steel blade, showcasing exceptional durability and cutting prowess suited for survival and outdoor tasks. The drop-point blade profile ensures versatility in handling various cutting and chopping needs, while maintaining edge retention. Its ergonomic ultra-mid handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, crucial for extended use in challenging conditions. Designed in collaboration with knife maker jarosz, this knife incorporates a durable polyester sheath for safe carry and quick access, making the Ka-Bar 7503 Jarosz Turok an ideal choice for adventurers, survivalists, and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable, rugged tool for demanding situations and wilderness exploration. Number 2. Ka-Bar Becker B3 Becker Tack Tool is a robust, multi-purpose instrument engineered for versatility and durability. With a 7-inch 1095 Kraton steel blade, this unconventional tool combines the functionalities of a knife, pry bar, and chisel. Its chisel-ground blade edge allows for various cutting applications, while the robust construction ensures resilience in demanding tasks such as prying and scraping. The ultra-mid handle provides a comfortable, ergonomic grip for precise control during use. Designed by Becker in collaboration with Ka-Bar, this versatile tack tool comes with a hard plastic sheath for secure carry, catering to the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and professionals requiring a reliable, multifunctional tool capable of handling diverse challenges with ease. Number 1. Ka-Bar Becker B9 Combat Bowie stands as a formidable tool blending strength and versatility. Featuring a 9-inch 1095 Kraton steel blade with a classic Bowie shape, it excels in heavy-duty tasks, from chopping wood to outdoor survival scenarios. Its robust full-tang construction ensures durability and resilience under rigorous use. The blade's clip-point design facilitates piercing and detailed cutting, while the ergonomic Grivery handle offers a secure and comfortable grip, even in challenging conditions. Designed by Becker in collaboration with Ka-Bar, this knife embodies reliability and functionality, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and professionals seeking a powerful and dependable tool for a myriad of demanding tasks in the wilderness or tactical environments.